It makes me a little emotional to even say it right now. I'm the father of the bride. Whoa. Caroline, I want to tell you that you've owned my heart since you were born. You filled my heart with all that is good in the world. Gabe, I want to give you something that at one time was Caroline's most prized possession. It's her blankie. For 2 or 3 years, it seems like she did everything with this blanket. She moved on, but that blanket has always been symbolic to me of how big and trusting Caroline's heart is when she gives it to something or someone. It has always represented the heart of my sweet little girl. Gabe, she's given her heart to you, and I want to give you this blanket, knowing and trusting that you will always protect that heart and that she will protect yours.
When I first met Caroline, we had known each other as little kids, kind of, and I knew she was Thomas's cousin, and then college came, and I saw her, and I was like, Thomas's cousin is hot now. Started bringing her around everyone, and Blake was like, dude, you're gonna marry that girl. And I was like, I think you're right, man. And here we are.
All this feels strange and true, and I won't waste a minute without you.
I love you so much. You've been the best friend, and I love getting to see how happy Gabe makes you and how awesome he treats you.
You give her so much confidence and encourage her to be the best version of herself.
You can tell how happy Gabe is, and you complete him, and you guys are awesome together.
The anger swells in my guts, and I won't feel the slices and crowns. I want so much to open your eyes, 'cause I need you to look into my eyes. Tell me that you'll open your 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 eyes.
She is the most genuine friend in the world.
Inviting and kind and loving and very welcoming.
And he goes, Mom, she is the nicest girl I have ever met.
Caroline, you seriously have been the best sister that I could ever ask for, and are such an example for us all.
You guys love each other so much, and we all have the same love for you.
You love my best friend in the best way she could ever be loved.
Every minute from this minute now, we can do what we like anywhere. I want so much to open your eyes, 'cause I need you to look into my eyes. Tell me that you'll open your 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 eyes.
I, Gabe, take you, Caroline, to be my wife.
Hi, Caroline. Take you, Gabe,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
In good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love you and honor you
to love you and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my